days of old, when men's hearts were simple as little children's, the spirit world lay close at their doors, and they knew it not. But now they have drifted far from it, and are like mariners upon a raft, who are seeking through the fog and mist to find it. Kind pilots of the spirit world are striving to guide and help them reach that radiant land, that they might bring back a store of hope and light for the weary strugglers upon earth. To higher spheres, I knew that I never again could feel the heedless, buoyant ecstasy of youth, for never again would I go back and be quite as I had been.